So this is how to get water, quick and easy water without doing much work into Redshift. So we've got our roughness map on our texture to make it look wet, but it's just not cutting it and there's no water to understand why these bricks are so wet. So what we need to do is we need to create a new plane. So just for ease, let's duplicate that texture, remove the texture that's on there at the moment and remove the object. And we want to jump into materials and drop that on. Pull it up so we can pick where we want the water. It's good to do this first, so you can see kind of what you want to do. I want to just create small little puddles where there's little bits of mud. And then it's really quite simple in Redshift because there's a lot of presets already. So where it says presets, we just want to change this to water. And there we have something that looks pretty nice. You can play with the index of refraction if you want it to look a bit more shiny, but I wouldn't go too crazy. So you can see it's like a mirror there, which is craziness. And if we go play with this value, it's kind of like dirty water, and if we just knock this up, get shinier looking water. So, oh, I want to kind of do that. Nope, and that. Yeah, so hopefully you found this useful, and I will catch you on the next one.